Vietnamese mango and lime sorbet. Serves 4. Active prep time 15 minutes. Total time 4 hours including 3 hours of freezing. Bright mango, fresh lime, and a hint of lemongrass make a refreshing sorbet. Ingredients. For ripe mangoes, about 3 pounds total. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 cup water. 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice. 1/8 teaspoon fine sea salt. 1 small stalk of lemongrass, bruised, optional but aromatic. 6 fresh mint leaves for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Peel and pit 4 ripe mangoes, then cut the flesh into 1-inch chunks. Allow about 15 minutes to complete the step. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, and the bruised lemongrass stalk. Microwave on high for 2 minutes, stir until the sugar dissolves, then let it steep for 10 minutes. Remove the lemongrass and cool to room temperature. Measure 1/2 cup of the cooled syrup into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice and 1/8 teaspoon fine sea salt, then stir and taste to check the balance. If the mango flesh is very firm, microwave the mango chunks for 30 seconds to warm them slightly and help release the juices. Do not cook the fruit. Put the mango chunks and the syrup mixture into a blender and blend on high until completely smooth, about 1 minute. Pause to scrape the sides once if needed. For an extra smooth sorbet, press the mango puree through a fine mesh strainer into a bowl using a spatula to remove fibers and stringy bits. Stir 1/2 cup of the cooled lemongrass syrup that we prepared, combined with the lime and salt, into the mango puree. Taste and add up to 2 tablespoons more syrup if you prefer it sweeter. Cover the bowl and chill the mango mixture in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to 1 hour until cool. Chilling will help the freezing process. Pour the chilled puree into a shallow metal or glass tray, level it, cover loosely, and place in the freezer for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove the tray and use a fork to scrape and stir the forming ice crystals, breaking them up. Return the tray to the freezer. Repeat the freeze and scrape cycle 3 more times at 45-minute intervals, for about 3 hours total freezing time. This manual churning yields a smooth sorbet texture. For a creamier finish, scoop most of the semi-frozen sorbet into a blender and pulse for 10 to 20 seconds, then return it to the tray and freeze for another 20 minutes. When the sorbet is firm, scoop into chilled bowls and garnish each serving with 1 or 2 fresh mint leaves. Use 6 mint leaves total for 4 servings. Let the sorbet sit at room temperature for 2 minutes to soften slightly for easy scooping, then serve immediately. This completes the recipe. Enjoy your Vietnamese mango and lime sorbet. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell to get notifications for more recipes.